Oh, hi everybody, and welcome back. This is just a very quick update really, just to show you what things are doing at the moment. Now these are the shallots. Saw the last video we planted them, and we just put them into a seed tray and covered them with some damp soil, and they'll be coming up very shortly, maybe in a week or two. And here we've got some ordinary white onions, same sort of thing, just been popped in a seed tray of damp compost. And they've only been here a week, and you can see like they're well above the ground. If I pull one out, look at that, there's a good little root system, and that's a week. I'll put that back in there in a minute in a bit of damp compost. Give us a little bit of a head start because the weather's still quite cold, so they're growing here. Then we'll pop them down to the allotment and plant them properly when they're ready. So this is a sorry looking site. It was a mint plant I bought from Tesco's, was reduced. It was all rotten, so I've cut all the leaves off of it back to the stems, give it a drink, and hopefully it'll pick up. So that'll be good. The dahlias you saw me cut, as you go, look, nice little healthy plants still. They're all looking pretty good. They're done okay. Now my onions were a bit sad. I left them out and then they got frozen with the snow, so I brought them back in and hopefully they'll pick up. It'll be fine. And this is the dahlia tuber you saw me take the cuttings from, and if you can actually see, all this is new growth, lots of it there, so there'll be lots more cuttings to take off of that at a later date, of course. And the cut and come again salad, and look at that, that's pretty good growth, isn't it? Just left on the bench here in the conservatory. Just remind you what that was. That was the Growables baby leaf mix, cut and come again. We just sprinkled it on top of the pots, give it a water, and it actually started sprouting within 3 days. I was quite amazed with that. And obviously we've still got the asparagus. It's gone bonkers again still. Don't know really what to do with that. But it's still growing well anyway. And the cannas are still doing okay. Nice little plants there. And our potatoes, they haven't quite made it on top of the kitchen cupboard yet, but they will be going there. As you can see, they're still chitting well. Well, that's just a quick update for today. Hope you all enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.